I have lived in LA now for quite a while, and I've never tried LaCroix. I know. I mean, granted, the main reason for that is I absolutely detest carbonation, but darn it, I'm going to embrace the stereotype. Bottoms up. Oh, gosh. That's why I've never drank in it before. Because of that. Look at this. I got goosebumps. Nope. Not for me. Nope. That was the good part.
There's supposed to be water coming out of there right now. That's not good.
So that's a bit of a bummer. The coffee machine stopped working yet again. I'll put a lot of water into it, and then none will come out. Well, except for that little bit that I just spilled on myself. Way to go, Chris. So I guess we're gonna have to replace this coffee maker also. Am I doing something wrong? Like, I don't think there's 3 steps, you know? It should not be that... Grandma, where are we headed?
To our favorite place, Lens Crafters.
Which is at the mall.
Now what can I do when my feelings getting stronger? And the way that you move, I can't take it any longer. I'm addicted to you. Oh, I love the way you're looking at.
I literally only have one goal right now, and that is to get some frickin' coffee because, you know, I gotta edit this video tonight, and at this rate, I will not be able to. Just caffeine stimulates the creativity in me, so...
Yes.
Oh, so much better. So much better. Well, that was nice. Hi, boo.
Monkey.
You got your glasses all ready?
Yeah.
Yay.
Kind of trippy.
So, how long until we come back here yet again?
We're not.
We're not?
That's it. I hope that's it. I hope. Good care of your eyes so you never have to wear glasses because they just, you know, nothing is as good as your own eyes and your own vision, and, you know, when it's good when you're a kid. But
Duly noted.
trying to correct it when you get older is not easy.
So you're saying my current, like, thing of just sitting in front of a computer all day, every day, like 2 feet away from a screen.
That's okay, right? Okay, time to get you replaced, good buddy.
Yeah, boy, you didn't last very long.
I'm addicted to you. I love it when you're looking at me. I'm addicted to you. Let me show what I got for you, girl.
Well, hopefully third time's the charm.
Here's yours.
Sweet.
Thank you.
So won't you come along? Together we're stronger. The night ain't really over. So baby, come along. Sit back, relax, turn off your phone, and I will make you feel at home. So baby, come along. Why won't you come along? Come along now. Come along with me. Come along now. Come along.
Okay. Hopefully that cleaned out the inside, and I can have my morning coffee tomorrow, which would be fantastic. This is just water in here. But I swear, if the same thing happens to this machine also, I'm just gonna quit coffee cold turkey. You ever just, like, get hit with a wave of tiredness? Because that just happened to me. I want to start getting to bed a little earlier than frickin' 11 o'clock at night. So it's 10 o'clock at night. And I'm going to hit the hay right here right now. So I guess that was today our exciting the exciting adventures of exchanging a coffee maker machine. The vlog. Anyway, I am actually gonna hit the hay now, so I'll see you tomorrow. And in the meantime, remember, stay positive.
This is me, I'm still on it, 'cause you all wanna